Hi again, this is Irfan. This is what I have come across today. Some Nikon, Olympus and Minolta gear. This is a very solid Nikonf, black body. Appears to be in a wonderful condition in terms of cosmetics and seems to be working very well. Pretty decent Nikon F body with some cosmetic wear which is expected as usual, but nothing serious. Some edge wear which most of the photographers love to see, means it has been used. Shutter is working well. Self-timer is also working. I checked it earlier. Oh, it looks like self-timer has an issue. But earlier it did work. Might need to be kind of used a bit. Then it should start working again. Then comes the Minolta X-700. I did install new batteries and it also seems to be working fine. Very decent condition cosmetically with a very basic 50mm lens. It also came with Olympus camera body, which comes with aftermarket wide-angle lens. This is also working fine as far as I know. The shutter is working very well. Yeah, pretty decent condition cosmetically. Nice looking lens. This was my recent find. Nikon F in black is more desirable than the chrome version. In case you have any questions, comments, feel free to write to me. Thank you very much. Thank you.